Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here and welcome everybody to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can zip your files or your folder in Windows 10, that also without any software guys. So let's start with this tutorial. So here are the three files which I have on desktop. So what you can do is you can just drag your mouse and select these files, or just hold your control key, left control, and just select all these three files. Right click on the files and then click on send to, or just hold your mouse to send to, which will show you more options. And after that you can click on this compressed zip folder. After you click on that, you can see now a new zip file has been created, and when I open the zip file, as you can see, all my three files are over here inside the zip file. Also you can do this with the folder. I'll just delete the zip file for the sake, and now this is a folder. Now right click on the same, click on send to, and click on compress zip folder, and the same just happened over here, as you can see. And if I double click on it, here is my folder which I just zipped. So after that, you can also go in the folder, and even if you select, like if I select these both files, and even if I right click on them, click on send to, and even click the same thing, as you can see, now my zip file has been created with those two files. So that's how you can zip your files in Windows 10 guys. I hope this tutorial helped you. If this tutorial helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now guys. I am AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everybody.